So in this Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find the earnings calendar of a stock or of stocks here on Seeking Alpha. So once Seeking Alpha opens up, I want you to go to the top left and press on the arrow. Once you're here, you can go ahead here and just simply scroll down to where it says earnings right here, and then just slide this across to where it says earnings calendar, and then go ahead and press on that. So once you're here, you can actually go ahead and view the earnings calculator of different stocks. So at this moment in time, it'll kind of show you on the 11th of June. If you wanted to search up, a company, you can go. Let's just go AAPL. AAPL for Apple Inc. So if you go ahead and press on Apple Inc. right here, it'll go ahead and show you the next earnings calculator. For this case, it is July 31st for Apple. So very simple, very straightforward, but this is how to find the earnings calendar of a stock here on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.